Hello, today we're gonna talk about the difference between the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. Both of them are the top lens of the Galaxies, but today we're gonna talk about the slightly differences. This is the Note 10 Plus. It comes with charger, comes with the AKG headphones, the USB-C cables, and also the adapter for the USB-C to Type-C. And this is the same tray for the Note 10 Plus. For the S10 Plus, it's about the same thing. Comes with an AKG headphone, USB-C cables, adapter for Type-C to USB. And this is the box for two phones. And now we're gonna talk about the difference between two phones. Of course, the first difference is the physical dimensions. The display size of the Note 10 Plus is 6.8. Size for the S10 Plus will be 6.4. Both of them using the same connections, which is Type-C. The difference between the Note 10 Plus and S10 Plus, they took off the headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack from the Note 10 Plus. The front camera between two phones, the S10 Plus has dual front camera and the Note 10 Plus has only one. The Note 10 Plus has 3 rear camera, same as S10 Plus. Note 10 Plus has an extra sensor. It called TOF, I believe. Time of flight sensor. It capture, like accurate depth informations. The battery capacity between two phones. The Note 10 Plus has 4300 and S10 Plus has 4100, slightly difference. Note 10 Plus has 45 watts wire fast charge and 15 watts wireless fast charge, and S10 Plus has only 18 or 15 watts wired fast charge and 12 watts wireless fast charge. Yeah, this Note 10 Plus has 12 gigs of RAM, and S10 Plus starts with 8 gigs. That's the difference between the RAM. And the biggest difference between the S10 and Note 10 is the pen. You can use the pen to open the apps, take pictures, and trigger like in-app functions. But the Note 10 Plus has new mode. You see, this live full course option is for the TOF sensor, time of flight sensors. And this is the frame of the Note 10 Plus. They took off the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is the same tray. And the microphone. This is the microphone for the louder speaker, microphone for the ear speaker. Same trays right here. And this is the buttons for the S10 Plus. Volume button, power button. This is the Bixby button. and that's the difference between the S10 Plus and the Note 10 Plus too. They took off the big split button from the Note 10 Plus. That's about the difference between the Note 10 Plus and the S10 Plus.